Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, turtles in a half shell, turtle power! So first off, I want to apologize for the intro. I apologize. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to witness that. I'm sorry you had to see it. But anyway, I'm Chris. I'm the Batman statue collector, and we're not actually talking about Batman today. Well, we'll talk about it a little bit, of course. But today we're going to be talking about TMNT, baby. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. I grew up with the Turtles. I absolutely love them. I had, of course, the VHS tapes. I watched the cartoons on TV. I had the video game. I absolutely loved anything to do with those Turtles, Splinter, Shredder, Casey Jones. You guys know, Bebop, Rocksteady. I loved all of them. They were all fantastic. Of course, as I grew older, I kind of forgot about them until recently. There's been a resurgence, obviously. I am a Batman collector, but when I saw these at San Diego Comic-Con, 1/3 scale Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, these things are just insane. Absolutely insane. And we don't do a lot of PCS items here on the channel. Again, this is from PCS. I did talk to Ant Adams, who is the owner at PCS at San Diego Comic-Con, and I whispered in his ear, I said, Ant, when are we going to get DC stuff? He said, he's trying. He's trying. So that's very, very good news, at least potentially. And so I'm hoping to be able to cover them a little bit more. But today I wanted to focus on these turtles because I thought that they were really impressive. Now, there are going to be 4 of them. There's going to be 4 of them. You can make them together. You can put them all kind of in this diorama. But again, 1/3 scale, guys. 1/3 scale. They're already up for pre-order. At least the first one is, and that's the one I'm going to talk about today. The link is down below in the description if you're interested in ordering it. But there are a few things about this particular piece that could be tweaked. And Ant Adams actually has already addressed it. So I wanted to talk about it today, whether it is a hit or miss. So that's exactly what we're going to do right now. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Obviously, here is the promo image, and this is the exclusive. Again, this is from Sideshow. This is where you can order it right now down in the link below. That is the exclusive, which we'll talk about with the Mousers here in just a second. But this is the classic. This is what you're going to get with the regular. Obviously, this is Raphael. He looks fantastic. Look at the battle damage on his face. He is bulky. He is really well sculpted, and he is ready to pounce. I love that he's got his traditional weapons there. Again, you have the Mousers on the base with the sewer pipes. That looks really, really fun. The height on this, again, 21 inches by 21 inches by 18 deep. Again, this is going to be a sizable piece. I just have to stress to you how big it is. But it's really going to look incredible when you add all 4 together. Again, close-up detail here. You can see the strap on his leg. The paint applications look really, really good to me. And I can tell you, having seen it in person, the paint looked really, really good. I know Ant was extremely excited about this line. Very, very thrilled. I think it's one of the best things I saw in the booth. Of course, Wolverine was really cool too, but this is my favorite. This right here is one of the exclusives right here, where he's got the full bandana. One of the things that he addressed, there is a seam line. There is a seam line on the neck. And so what they're maybe looking into is maybe where that swap out is, maybe they can somehow change it where, the covering of the red is there, but then also whenever you have the bandana, it would follow the same line. So they are listening to feedback. I don't know 100% if it'll be changed, but hopefully by the time you order, by the time you get it in hand, it will be changed and there will not be that seam line on the neck anymore. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys posted if there are any changes. But again, I wanted to show you all of this really great detail. Again, all the belts look really well sculpted. I love the smoothness on the shell. It's got that really great ooze, that sewer base effect with the Mousers. Again, that looks really great. I like the color differentiation. You have kind of that copper pipe and more of the gray sewer pipe. You can see the bubbles. You can see the bubbles coming up, which is really cool. Again, just a lot of attention to detail. You could tell that this was a passion project. Now, the Deluxe, again, has the Mouser where it's actually, through his weapon. I personally like the regular the best. I don't know if I would necessarily need that. I like to be able to see the full weapons, but again, it's up to you really what you like and what you want to do. The crazy thing about this is on Sideshow's website, and as of the recording of this anyway, it's exactly the same price, $1,205 for the regular or the bonus. So, duh, buy the bonus, right? Get the bonus, guys. It's a no-brainer. I don't really love the bandana look. It's not my favorite look. I like the more traditional look, which is the bands around their eyes. I think that looks cooler, but and I like the weapons coming forward. I just think that looks badass. But as I continue to look at this from all angles, again, I want to stress, and I know I've said it a lot, seeing it in person, you guys are going to be wowed by this piece. It is big, it is bulky, it is solid, it is third freaking scale, which is very, very exciting. I think a lot of people are really going to fall in love with this piece and fall in love with the line. And whenever you see them all together, it was designed that way. It was designed to be a 4-piece set. So obviously you can buy each individual character if you just like Raphael or you just like Donatello or Michelangelo, whatever. But come on, this is a very, very cool piece. And I know it's not a piece that we feature here on the channel a lot, but I had to show this to you because I thought it was very, very impressive. From PCS, again, I want to give a shout out to Aunt Adams, of course, Sideshow being the distributor. Really, really cool piece from them. Very impressed. As always, right here, I like to turn it over to you guys. What do you guys think? Again, for me, it's a big, big hit. I think it's awesome. I think the price point is fair, because you're getting a lot of piece. It is 1/3 scale. I do feel like if they're able to tweak some of that, if they're able to get rid of that neck seam, and maybe tweak it along the eye line where the bandana is, I think that they have a home run winner. And again, this is just the first of more. I don't know for sure if they're going to do larger scale like a Splinter or a Shredder, which would be awesome in 3rd scale. I don't know. I'll need to reach out to Ant and find out. But we know for sure we're going to get the 4 turtles. Again, 1/3 scale. Imagine the epicness, how awesome it's just going to look. I'm very, very excited about this series. Again, this is one that, as a Batman collector, I'm going to have to look at from afar, probably, although there is a tie-in. There has been Turtles and Batman together, so maybe I could work it out. Again, I think it's just going to be too weird for my collection, but I would love to own those. I think they're really, really good. And again, I'm a big Turtle fan from back in the day. So I do want to turn it over, though, to you guys. What do you think? You guys know how I feel. Let me know how you feel in the comments. Thank you guys so very much for checking out the video today. Again, you all are absolutely incredible. I want to thank everybody so very much for especially watching all of the San Diego Comic-Con content. The Sideshow booth tour video just went over 104,000 views, which is just insane. I cannot thank you guys enough for your continued support here on the channel. I love each and every one of you. You are all amazing, and you are what make this community go around. Thank you guys for that. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, click the notification bell. Make sure you choose all. And if you want to take it one step further, hit the join button down below for early access to our videos, bat boxes, other perks, producer credit, and stuff like that. We also have our Batman Statue Collector t-shirts down below. Of course, that does help. All of that goes right back into the channel, guys, so I can produce more content for you here on the channel. Again, I want to try to do daily content for you guys, and all of that really, really helps with that. So thank you guys very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the Batcave. Turtle power, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, turtles in a half shell. Hey guys, thank you so very much for watching today, and if you're new here, please hit the subscribe button right here on the screen and check out these 2 awesome videos. I think you're going to love them. And also please join us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. I would love to have you join in all the fun. Thank you guys so very much for watching. See you in the Batcave.